I just heard last night an AI person speaking, and the owner of AI called AI the new god. Is there going to be a conflict with the old god and the new god?
No, not in India. In India, if you like this chair, if you go and bow down, nobody will think there's anything wrong with that. There is a rock in your garden, you go and bow down, people think, oh, she's a rock worshipper. This is the beauty of this civilization. Tree, rock, whatever, cloud, empty sky, we bow down. This is because you can't be sitting here without the source of creation functioning within you, isn't it? So, in this country, in this civilization, new god is never a problem. Because we saw them as entities, we know how to make shapes and forms, energize them in such a way they become a new possibility. It's time we bring, if AI is the new god, I have no problem.